In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Unity. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this outfit. Scroll down. In description, you can able to see how to install steps. It replaces ECO legacy outfit. I show you guys how to install this. Check my video description for this Avel toolkit. This is required to install this mod. Download and using this pick, choose the outfit you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this promo art outfit. Scroll down and download the outfit you like. Select this folder icon, right click on the Avel toolkit and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extractor folder and double click on the Avel toolkit. Select this pencil icon in Unity and path to executable. Click on the three dot icon and navigate to game folder. Select the game exe file and select open option and select OK. And now double click on this Unity. Just double click and select no option and the game explorer will opens up. You need to find data PC data PC underscore ACV underscore Paris dot forge. Select this file, right click and select the unpack option. Once this done, open up File Explorer and navigate to downloads. Right click on the outfit mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this data file inside this. Make sure you dropped this. As you can see, the file is in here. Once you're done, just close stuff here and go back. Select the data PC underscore ACU underscore Paris.forge and right click and select repack option. Wait for this to done. Finish repacking. Everything is done. Just go back and close stuff here. We have successfully installed the mod. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to character customization and gear loadout, equipment. Scroll down and select outfit. It mentioned it replaces the ACU monster outfit. Just choose the outfit and press enter to select. Just press the escape key and this is the outfit we have installed. The mod is working. To show you guys, I'm gonna exit the game and show you guys the mod page. We have installed this promo art outfit. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.